Are you ready for an adventure through the alphabet? Yay! Let's jump into the magical world of letters where every letter comes to life. Grab your imagination hat, because today we re-meeting the most amazing animals and friends who will help us learn from A to Z. A is for alligator. Big green alligator lives by the river, splashing and smiling with his shiny white teeth. He loves apples and sings, "Ihe, I love apples." Can you sing that to Ahea? Great job. B is for bear. A big brown bear loves to bounce on blue balls and blow big bubbles. BB bubbles for me. The bear giggles. Pop those bubbles with me pop, 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 see. Is for cat. The clever cat is wearing a cute hat and cooking cookies in the kitchen. The smell of cookies makes everyone smile. See. Cookies and cats. D is for dog. The dancing dog loves to drum and do silly dances. D dance with me. He says, "Wiggle your tail like a puppy and dance around." E is for elephant. Our friendly elephant loves to eat eggplants and make exciting sounds with her trumpet trunk. E. I love elephants. She says, "Let's all pretend to be elephants and make trumpet sounds, Pariah." F is for fox. The fast fox is flying a kite in the forest. FFF, fly, says the fox as his kite goes high in the sky. G is for giraffe. The gentle giraffe stretches his long neck to grab green leaves. G, green leaves for me. Let's all stretch up high like a giraffe, reach for the sky. H is for hippo. The happy hippo hops into the pond with a huge splash. H, hop with me. He says, "Jump, splash, and giggle like a happy hippo." I is for iguana. The icy iguana slides on ice and eats ice cream. I love ice cream. He laughs. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? J is for jellyfish. The jiggly jelly dances in the ocean, glowing like a little light. J, jump and jiggle. Let's jiggle like jellyfish, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. K is for kangaroo. The kind kangaroo keeps her baby cozy in her pouch. K, keep bouncing. She says, "Bounce, bounce, bounce." L is for lion. The loud lion loves to laugh and lick lollipops. LLA, laugh with me. He roars. Let's all laugh like lions roar and laugh together. M is for monkey. The mischievous monkey swings from tree to tree, munching on mangoes. Mango time. He cheers. Let's swing our arms like monkeys and shout. M is for nest. A neat little nest holds tiny birds named Nikki and Nino. Unanen. Nap time. They chirp. Let's pretend to be little birds snuggling for a nap. O is for octopus. The orange octopus has 8 wiggly arms that play the drums. Oh, ocean music. He sings. Can you drum with your hands? Tap, tap, tap. P is for penguin. The playful penguin slides on the ice and claps his flippers. P, party time. He says, "Let's clap and slide like penguins." Q is for queen. The quiet queen wears a sparkling crown and loves to quilt colorful blankets. Q, quite cozy. She smiles. Let's wave to the queen. R is for rabbit. The running rabbit races through the rainbow garden. R ready. Set, run. He shouts, "Let's hop like rabbits. Hop, hop, hop." S is for snake. The silly snake slithers and sings softly. S says, "I love to slide." He says, "Let's hiss together." S S S S S S S S. T is for tiger. The tiny tiger paints tulips and tickles turtles. T, tickle time. He laughs. Gently tickle your tummy and giggle. U is for unicorn. The unicorn flies under a rainbow with sparkles everywhere. You up we go. She sings. Let's imagine flying high with the unicorn. V is for volcano. The very big volcano rumbles and roars, but today it's filled with violet flowers instead of lava. V. Very pretty. W is for whale. The wise whale splashes waves with his tail and whistles a tune. W, woo, water, fun. He sings, "Splash your hands like waves." X is for xylophone. The colorful xylophone plays happy music ding, dong, ding. XX, sing along. Let's play pretend xylophones and make music. Y is for yak. The yellow yak yawns loudly and wears a funny yellow hat. Why, yawn with me? He says, "Big, sleepy yawn." Z is for zebra. The zippy zebra zooms through zigzag lines and zaps with excitement. Z, zoo fun. He laughs. "Let's gallop like zebras." Wow, we did it. We sang and learned every letter from A to Z. Give yourself a big clap. Each letter has a friend, a sound, and a story to tell. Now let's sing together one more time. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat with cookies to share. D for dog who dances all day. E for elephant who loves to play. F for fox with a flying kite. G for giraffe stretching to the light. H for hippo. I for ice. J for jellyfish-o. So nice. K for kangaroo that jumps so high. L for lion roaring to the sky. M for monkey eating mango pie. N for nest where baby birds lie. O for octopus in the ocean blue. P for penguin sliding too. Q for queen with blankets new. R for rabbit running through. S for snake who sings a song. T for tiger tagging along. U for unicorn shining strong. V for volcano humming along. W for whale splashing waves of cheer. X for xylophone we can hear. Y for Yaakov with a big loud cheer. And Z for zebra hooray. We're here. Letters are magic. And learning is fun. Every time you sing your ABCs, the world gets brighter and smarter. Remember, A is for alligator. And amazing you. Let's say goodbye to our animal friends. But don't worry, we'll see them again next time in another magical alphabet adventure. Thanks for learning with us. See you soon.